Very good morning to all dear friends, dear students. Today, in this session, we are going to start a new chapter named Reconstruction of Partnership. Yes, you know that very well. We already completed one chapter, chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership. Chapter number 3, Goodwill. Now, in your bank of mark sheet, you are already having 10 marks. Yes, you know that very well. 4 marks from chapter 1 and 6 marks from chapter 3. So 4 plus 6, 10, and cash deposited in the bank. Sure? Good. Now, from this session, whatever we are going to learn is really one of the most simple thing, one of the most easy matter of entire accounting chapter, rather subject. And you may feel surprised, chapter number 4, and here 1 plus 1 plus 3, it is fine. But yes, this chapter will give you 5 marks in coming Gujarat board paper. Yes, 1 plus 1 plus 3, you can also assume it very well. 1, that is of MCQ, 1 of VSQ, and 3 of section C. Question second, that is actually question number 22 of your paper. Imagine to karo tumne question number at present in the month of May or June, we are saying question number of coming March, that on this number they are going to ask this chapter's question. You may feel, what's big deal in it? Are you saying which question they are going to ask? In this chapter I can say almost yes. Almost yes. Yes. Yes, again I am using word. This chapter, because there are very few methods. I can say only 3 sums. Only 3 topics you are going to learn, and you will get confirm 3 marks, because they are going to ask any one of them. And that too also, book over, buy 1, get 1. So if you learn one particular pattern perfectly, the another one is free for you. Now it's all depends on you people, whether to get that marks, whether to grab that opportunity, or just ruin your career by doing some calculating error and by taking 12th standard easily, lightly. But I am sure our students are never going to do that. Then only you are going to open this video, then only you are going to learn with me, then only you are going to stay with us. Okay? Now before I start this chapter, the entire one, reconstruction and meaning and reasons and all this, let me tell you a good incident happened with me. Really encouraging one, huh? Even something unbelievable. I'm sure you will love to listen it. Yes, it happened with me yesterday only. I attended a meeting. See, we are not going to disclose the name and everything, but have faith. I attended a video meet like we are learning and teaching and all that process is going on in the same way, but it was live. It was live. Like you may know some of the app available in the market, means on mobile or on desktop or laptop or whatsoever. But I attended a live video meet. I was a participant in it of a very good mind reader. Yes, mind reader. You may feel it's somewhat like a magic. Even I also felt the same. But really, it was mesmerizing. See, what I experienced, so many different matters were there. But can you believe it? Can you believe it? What he did with me. He asked me, Mr. Darpan, can you please give me your mobile number? I said yes. He said no. Do one thing, give me your email ID. I'm not going to play with it. I'm not going to spam you, but just give me your email ID. I said okay. I shared my mail ID with him. So many people watching up. So many people. Maybe there were, say, 50, 60 families. 50, 60 families at their own place, connecting with each other through that app. I shared my mail ID. That's all, do right. He said okay. Then he sent me a mail from his ID and checked. Mr. Darpan, have you received a mail? I said yes. Listen carefully. Definitely maja aavashe. He instructed not to open that mail. Not to open that mail. I said okay. He said, show it to me. I show my mobile. That a mail is there from his ID. I didn't open it. Okay. Put it aside. Then he asked a kid of a family that let's imagine that you are going to make a movie. Do you love watching movie? That boy said yes, very much. He said that let's assume you are making a movie, then which name you preferred? That boy said, I remember each and every word. That boy, that kid of say 10, 12 years said, if I am going to make a movie, the title of that movie will be Superhero. He said, great. Then he asked me, Mr. Darpan, let's assume that you are the casting director. Then, to whom you are going to select as hero and heroine? Now, I gave the name of a particular person of my family. Mr. Sujoy. I gave the name of a particular person of my family, not the famous celebrity, hero, nothing. Mr. Sujoy. Now, he didn't know anything about my family, naturally. He was a professional mind reader. Okay? Then what about the heroine? I gave one of my cousins' name, Miss Priyanka. He said, okay. Everyone was listening. Then he asked to another family that let's decide when you are going to release this. We made a movie. When you are going to release it? They said on the Patriotic Day, 15th August, which year? Okay, 2021. Okay, Superhero, the name of movie. Then casting director, myself, select two of my family members, Mr. Sujoy and Ms. Priyanka. Then he asks someone else and decide the date of releasing that movie. That was 15th August 2021. Then he picked another family. See, as I say, 50-70 participants were there. And asked that let's decide the monetary terms, budget. That particular family member said, sir, let's think big. It will be 50 crore. He said, no, not only round digits. Say something else. 50 crore, then lakhs. He said, 44 lakhs. 1,000, 33,000. Then 200. Okay. 50 crores, 44 lakhs, 33,000, 200. Is the budget of this movie. Is it okay? Yes, everyone okay. Then he said again, remember everything. From X family, the kid said he want to make a movie named Superheroes. Then Mr. Darpan, casting director, see, it was a dialogue delivery yesterday happened with me. Huh? Yes. And have faith. I'm 100% correct. Mr. Darpan, casting director, picked up Mr. Sujoy as hero and Ms. Priyanka as heroine. Then, from Y family, they decide the date of releasing the movie, 15th August 2021. And at last, Mr. Z family said the budget 50 crore, 44 lakh, 33,200. Everyone said yes, it's true. Okay, that's great. He said, Mr. Darpan, just look at my eyes. I just look at his eyes through my webcam. Obviously, he was there in his room. I was watching for, say, eye-to-eye contact for 5-10 seconds with beautiful smile on his face, even on my face also. I was trying to trap him that okay, he is a mind reader, but let's try to play tricks with him. So I was also just changing my expressions. He was looking at me. Then he said, okay, done. Now Mr. Darpan, show me your mobile to everyone on the screen. I just show that. He said, open the mail. Listen, he sent me that mail before 5 minutes. Then he made all this story. And I was casting director and one of my family member was saying budget and another family member was saying that superhero name and everything from our family. I just opened that mail. Can you believe, friends? In that mail, he sent me such detail that I had a dream yesterday night that a kid from X family named this is going to make a movie named Superhero. Mr. Darpan, a casting director, select Mr. Sujoy as hero and Ms. Priyanka as heroine. The movie will be released on, 15th August 2021 and it will be prepared with the budget of very precise 50 crore, 44 lakh, 33,200. Yours truly and faithfully, his name. He mailed me before few minutes, which was there in my mailbox. Yes. Then he made all the story. Can you believe it, friends? Yes, it's true. I really clapped for, say, 1.5-2 minutes. I was blind, I was blank. But at the same time, I was having that faith in that particular person that it was not a magic, it was somewhat the power of mind. Yes, and that's why he was not famous as a magician, he is famous as mind reader. Why I gave you this example? You are too small, too young. I'm not saying that try to make a career as mind reader, but what I wanted to tell you is that if we have faith in ourselves, in God, we work properly, then sometimes it happened that while solving a question, now listen carefully. You may realize, yes, it happened with me. Some of you may reply to me personally. Yes, sir, it happened with me when I was in 10th. Yes, sir, it happened with me when I was in 11th. And let me wish, it will be when you are in 12th also. While solving a question, suddenly you feel within that this, maybe they will ask in board exams. તમને અંદરથી જ થાય. We knew it as sixth sense, but actually it was something within, the power we are having. Okay? And that power we can always develop more and more through concentration. Through concentration. That mind reader told me to just look at his eyes for 5, 10, 15 seconds. So that's for sure, nah? It was not a game, it was not a trick. He got something from my eyes, from my expression. And he clearly said, yes, I'm getting something. Now if through webcam, if a person can get something from another's eyes, imagine if it is live, it's beyond my or your thoughts, imagination. But fact is a fact. I just experienced it yesterday only. When we met personally, I will share the entire experience. Really, it was very joyful, but almost for the whole night, I couldn't sleep. I was enjoying each and every moment of that session. And constantly I was thinking, how is it possible? And every time I was having that something in my subconscious mind. That how is it possible is a question, but it is possible is the answer. The only thing we have to find how it is. Okay? So with that example, let me also wish that you should have that concentration, that power, you develop it, that so many times you feel that this question can be asked, or even while writing board exams, you can come to know that, okay, this question was there in the textbook. This is somewhat like this, the answer is somewhat like this. Let's go through it and we'll grab full marks. Yes, nothing is impossible. Okay? With that motto, with that power, let's continue reconstruction of partnership. The chapter's name, one of the easiest chapter, as I said. Meaning, in this board exam 2020, they asked this: what is reconstruction of partnership? The only thing you are supposed to write is this. If you write this also, it's add-on, bonus, which is not compulsory. Change in partnership due to several reasons known as reconstruction of partnership. Change in partnership due to several reasons known as reconstruction of partnership. It's that easy. Now, several reasons. There are some reasons. There are a few reasons due to which partnership will get changed. But which are the reasons? Let's go through it. Reasons. for change in partnership? 1, 2, 3. 3 reasons are there. 1. Change in profit loss ratio of partners. Naturally, of continuing partner, of existing partners, whichever the word you write. Or if you don't write anything and write like this, then also it's very much okay. Change in P&L ratio of partners. Second one, admission of a partner. Again, someone is saying admission of a new partner. Naturally, you are not going to admit a continuing partner. It's a matter of common sense. New partner is only going to be admitted. Are we going to admit an existing partner, a continuing partner? No. So you can write admission of a partner or retirement or death of a partner. Okay? These are the reasons due to which partnership will get changed. But let me tell you one thing. This is given in the textbook. Okay? But the hidden matters which I am going to tell you may not be properly given anywhere. That depends on the faculty. That depends on the tutor who is going to teach you. Okay? See, every tutor knows everything. બધાને બધું આવડતું જ હોય છે. All are experts. But whether we are expert is enough or should we make you an expert is enough? Obviously the second one. Because my expertism, naturally it will not work for me because I am not going to appear in the, I am not going to give the exam. I am not going to come with you in the center, sit with you and guide you to write the paper. No, it's not possible. So if I am an expert and I cannot convert my expertism, I cannot deploy my expertism in your heart, in your mind, then it's of no use. See, a tough question is that, and just by doing this, if I get the answer, what's the use of it? Is it beneficial to you? No. You can say, wow, our sir is really genius. But what is the use of that genius, sir? It's not work for you. So, what we believe strongly is that our expertism should be converted in your heart, should be deployed in your heart. So if you are also equal almost like us in knowledge perspective, in conceptual way, then and then we can create the miracle. You feel, then what is the difference between you students and me, the teacher, the tutor? The difference should only be of experience. You are not an experienced one, I am an experienced one. But about the knowledge, we both must be selling in the same boat. Okay? So let me tell you, here change in P&L ratio of partner. Now this too, actually, again the same topic. So, what actually the thing is, here change in P&L ratio of continuing partner. समझाई છે? Sure? 100%? Oh, that's great. 1000%. Okay, as I used to say. Change in P&L ratio of existing partner. Here, actually what we should say, change in P&L ratio due to admission of a partner and change in P&L ratio due to retirement or death of a partner. That is what reconstruction of partnership. Whenever a partner is admitted, let's say A and B two partners are there, sharing equal profit. What they are going to get? Each one is going to get 1. Or let's say the total profit, A and B partners, see we are talking at present about this, A and B partner, okay? The total profit of the firm, listen carefully the example, the total profit of the firm is say 300 rupees. A and B both are going to get 150, 150, equal partners. Clear? Now let's assume that instead of 1:1, they decided to change it and to have 2:3. Again, let's go through the example very quickly. What is their ratio? 1:1. Let me write over here. Now, instead of that, they decided to have 2:3. That is known as reconstruction of partnership because change in P&L ratio. In 1:1, if the profit is 300, each one will get 150, 150, 1, 1. Okay? Now in 2:3, if profit is same, 300, A will get 120, B will get 180. Use your calculator. If you're just sitting silently looking at the video, you will not get anything. Before starting, before you put a click button on account video lectures, you must be prepared with calculator, rough book, pencil or pen. Why is it so? Calculator to calculate with me. Rough book with pencil or pen to write some important tricks, keys, topics, because it will not be given in the textbook. So if you are not going to concentrate in writing the tricks, what you have to do? Every time you have to rewind the lecture, again play, again that, again rewind, again play, or some of you are over expert and may take some screenshots. But what I personally believe, everything is just wastage of time. Instead of that, you listen peacefully, you must have a pen and rough book and write the tricks accordingly. Okay? See, I am not going to teach you with that speed that we are going on a highway. Very slowly we are going. Very slowly. Is it okay? Because slow and steady wins the race. And we are always winner. Yes, I am having that faith. Again, 300 profit. 1:1, 150, 150. 2:3, 120, 180. Okay? Change in P&L ratio known as reconstruction of partnership. Because it is one of the reasons. The reason is known as reconstruction. First topic clear? Sure? Okay. Second topic. See, we are having profit 300 as it is. આપણે એમાં કાંઈ change નથી કરતા. So it becomes easy for you to understand the concept. A and B, two partners, sharing profit 1:1. Now, they admitted C, third partner, in the firm with equal ratio. So what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio? 1:1:1. 1:1:1. This is the ratio after admission of C. Is that clear? સમજાય છે? Now again listen, again remember, what is the profit? Profit કેટલો છે? I'm saying common. Profit કેટલો છે? ₹300. If 300 rupees will distribute in all three. Previously, when two partners were there, the ratio was 1/2, 1/2. Okay? Now, it is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Is it clear? So, 300, 100, 100 and 100. Okay? Again, actually change in P&L ratio. But why? The reason was admission of a partner. Okay. And so again, this is the reason of reconstruction of partnership. Now, there are three partners, A, B and C. Sharing ratio 1:1:1. 300 profit. Let's assume out of these three, A retired. Third topic. A retired. Or, if you can consider it okay, A died. Then what happened? Only B and C remaining in the partnership. Previously the ratio was 1:1:1. Now only two partners. So what is the ratio? 1:1. Again, change in P&L ratio. It was 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Now it is 1/2, 1/2. Here they were receiving 100, 100, 100 from 300 equally. Here they are going to receive 150, 150. Okay? Are you getting my point? So again, actually, change in P&L ratio due to retirement or death of a partner. Is that clear? Sure. So actually in all three, the main topic is change in P&L ratio. In all three. But in first, change in P&L ratio of existing partners. In second, change in P&L ratio due to admission of a partner. And in third, change in P&L ratio due to retirement or death of a partner. So this is that simple. From this chapter, 1 plus 1 plus 3. 3 is of numerical. Okay, we will solve it from next session onwards. 1 plus 1. This is purely theory. Purely theory. 1 MCQ, multiple choice question. 1 VSQ, very short question. You have to concentrate to grab full marks in MCQ VSQ. See, when you are going to get 20 out of 20 in MCQ VSQ, what I personally believe, it is impossible that you are going to get less than 80, 85, 90. Yeah, I'm not saying about only MCQs, because in MCQ, you know that very well. What? Without looking at your eyes, I can understand that what is there in your mind. Yes, in MCQ, so many options are there. Matlab, you can play so many tricks. But when in VSQ, in very short question, when you are going to get full 10 marks with proper underline in presentation, it is impossible that you played any trick. And so that kind of students, our experience speaks, that kind of students always get normally 85, 90, 95, even, what is our dream? 1, 0, one more 0. That is 100. Okay? Nothing is impossible. Again I am saying 10 out of 10 we already secured. Yes or no? Why? Why some of you are saying no? Work hard. Work hard in that case. You must get 10 out of 10 in that 2 chapters. Then third one. 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 15 out of 15. And so on. We'll continue our journey in the same way. So 15 out of 15. Then 25 out of 25. Then 35 out of 30. Like that. So at the end, it must be nothing else other than 1, 0, 0, which is our goal. Okay? For that, just go through this properly. It may give you 1 or 2 marks, depends on the paper setter. but the concept is very much useful to you. This is your chapter number 5. This is your chapter number 6. Okay, in that also they are going to give you the same topic, change in P&L ratio due to admission, change in P&L ratio. This change in P&L ratio is one of the most important topic in this group also. Clear? So if you start studying it properly, if you start understanding the concept properly from this chapter, always the journey of these 2 chapters becomes very smooth and enjoyable for you people. Okay? With that, again at last, try to remember, try to have that example in your mind and heart. Try to recall that of example of mind reader. Yes, just it's something unbelievable, but it happened with me myself. So at least I have to believe it. Whether you have that faith or not, I don't know. But we will share some examples, some experiences, more experiences, such thrilling, something unbelievable when we meet personally. Okay? Till then, go through this properly and be ready for getting this 3 marks through numericals in next coming sessions. Okay? Stay happy and take care of yourself.